Hey guys, I'm Dan and welcome back to the basement Dino Dungeon. Check this out guys, we have a couple of new animal figurines sent to us by a Dan Safarian to add to our animals collection right here. We have our farm animals collection right here, primates and birds, hippos and rhinos, and some sea animals. So we will be putting them into the 4 different boxes. But first, let's get all the items out from the box, okay? Let's reorganize them right now. Alright guys, are you ready? I'm gonna pour all of the figures onto the table, nice and slowly. Okay? And this as well. So this will be birds and primates. Okay, I'm gonna put a box at the side. And this will be the sea animals. Right over here. And here for the hippos, okay? So we're gonna be putting all of them back into the 4 different boxes right now. Alright, first let's have a look. We have a new penguin figure. If I'm not wrong, this is actually from Collecte. Let's remove this little string. And what does it say? It seems to be an African penguin, not too sure. Yep, South African penguin, beautiful one. So this one will be placed in one of the boxes where we'll be putting all the sea animals, okay? Here's another one. This seems to be a goose. I'm gonna rip this open. Let's have a look at the name. Is there a name on the cover? It's a white goose. And this seems to be from, Papo. Nice. Papo figures are highly realistic. I love it. Thanks for sending me this beautiful figure. We don't have this in our farm animals collection, so I'm definitely very happy to be having this. Okay, so yep, into the farm animals box. Next, okay, this South African penguin, we're gonna put this right here. Let's see what else we've got. Give me a second, I need to check the box. Okay, here's another one. What type of penguin is this? Are you guys able to guess? Not too sure, I've never seen this before, so it could be a new species. Gen 2 penguin. Okay, I do have a Gen 2 penguin in my collection. I don't think I have one from Collecte, so this is definitely welcome. Oh, and this artwork was sent to us by the Dan Safarian as well. Okay, it's a nice figure. It's kind of dusty, as you can see. It's from Shrike. I am going to take a piece of wet wipe to clean it. You can see it is covered with plenty of dust. Yep, I'm gonna clean it right now. A lot of dust. There you go. So this will go into the birds collection. We have the birds collection box at the right hand side, so I'm gonna put this one right in. This hippopotamus was also sent to us by a Dan Safarian. It's one from Safari Ltd, so it's really beautiful. So this will go into that box where I put all my hippopotamus and rhinos. And what is this? This seems to be a pony, or is it a horse? A horse, definitely a horse. I'm not too sure what is the exact name. This one will go into my horse collection box, that's for sure. So it's not right here, so I'm gonna put it aside first. Okay, just give me a second. The box just fell off. And we have a gorilla. The gorilla will be put in the primates collection along with the birds. So you can see this one's a new figure from Papo as well. And this one, it's from Collecte. I would say the Collecte figure looks better. Yeah, to me. Okay, I think this is another new figure. Another penguin. Should be from Peppo, as well as an emperor penguin. Beautiful one. We have a small little rabbit from Schleck. Beautiful. This will go into our farm animals collection. Next, we'll be taking a look at our collection right here. So we have a little donkey. And here we have a collie. In this box, yeah, the farm animals will still go with the dogs will go into the farm animals box. Golden Retriever. We have a vulture right here. This will go into the birds collection. What is this? This seems to be a vulture, a king vulture. That's right. And this is a monkey. Squirrel monkey will go into our primates collection. I'm putting all the primates in one corner and the birds in another corner. Cassowary, which is like a living dinosaur. A sheep right here. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna move the box. Just give me a second. And here we have a goat. A cow. It's not a cow. It's a Texas. Is it a Texas Longhorn Bull? Yes, that's right. Texas Longhorn Bull. Donkey. Nice. Just give me a second. I need to adjust this box which keeps falling over. With a Shar-Pei, well known for its crumpet skin. With a walrus right here. This two huge tusks, it's used to anchor themselves down to the ocean seafloor while they dig for scallops. A black sheep, nice one. Here's another cassowary. Okay, and this is actually from Mojo. Albatross. Let's have a look at the name. Giant albatross. Mandrill. Another albatross, and this one is written as a wandering albatross. Very nice. And Hingar, if I'm not wrong. It's a bird of prey. Hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. Another hippopotamus. This one looks good. It's from Collecte. 2018 figure, you can see the mouth is wide open. Polar bear. Should be from Peppo. Polar bear cub. It's a sheep. And this is a rock hopper penguin, if I'm not wrong. It is right. You know, you can actually easily recognize it with his hairstyle, the feathers on top of his head. It's very dramatic looking. A ray. A calf. This one is a boxer. Siberian Husky. Beautiful dog. A cow. And let's see, let's check this out. Frisian cow. Very popular among dairy farmers. Spotted seal. Another Frisian cow, I suppose. This is our nanny goat. Manatee. Also known as sea cows. Another walrus. This one is highly detailed. I like this figure from Safari LTD. Penguin. Could this be a Gen 2 penguin? Yep, that's right. Gen 2 penguin. We have just a couple of them. Dugong. Looks very similar to a manatee. And this is our sea elephant. Stingray. It has a spear at the tail. Emperor penguin and a baby chick. Emperor penguins are basically the largest species of penguins. Poodle. They are highly regarded as the most intelligent breed of dogs. It's a nanny goat. Schnauzer. And here is a sow, a female pig. This is I'm not too sure, Bull Terrier? German Shepherd puppy. Orangutan will go into the Primates collection. Blue macaw. We have a couple of macaws. The red one right here. And this one looks very similar, probably from the same ancestry family. Hyacinth parrot. Peacock with the feathers wide open, beautiful. Snowy owl. Turkey. Bald eagle. Spider monkey, if I'm not wrong. Another pig. Nanny goat, I suppose. A sheep. A cat. A cow. Hereford cow. German Shepherd. A very loyal dog. A chicken. Cockerel. Hampshire pig. Well known for its gentle nature. Chinchilla. Walrus. This is black-footed penguin. Sea lion. A cow. Phoenix rooster. Hungarian pig, well known for its curly hair. Tabby cat. A piglet, super adorable. Dalmatian puppy. This is a Great Dane. Guernsey cow. Golden retriever. Penguin. Holstein cow. Blue spotted ray. This should be an eagle ray, I think. Black sheep. Kookaburra. Kiwi. And here it's a great horned owl. Ostrich. A flightless bird, one of the biggest bird. Tamarine monkey, I think. This seems to be a raven. Another kiwi, exactly the same. Gorilla, silverback gorilla. Chimpanzee. They're very intelligent. This one, not too sure. Is this a pelican? Trying to see. It's yeah, a pelican. Flamingo. This seems to be, I'm not too sure. Seems to be a stork. Chimpanzee. Harpy eagle. Blue-footed broody. This is a beautiful one. Jacob sheep. It has 2 pairs of horns. A sow. Border collie. Very, very intelligent as well. Another sow. And this is a new horse figure. Yeah. Labrador. Bantam hen. And with a squirrel. This seems to be a bulldog. A cat. Hippopotamus. We have a couple of hippopotamus right here. Here's another one. This is from Peppo. It's a great figure. This is a rhinoceros from Schleich. This one is from Collecte. Hippopotamus calf. We have a werewolf, which is not supposed to be here. Chimpanzee. Peacock. This one seems to be the red-tailed hawk, I think. Yep, that's right. A gibbon. Proboscis monkey. It has a very huge nose. Very adorable. Leopard seal. Another leopard seal. Manatee. A penguin. Marble ray. A penguin. Humboldt penguin. This seems to be a swan. Or duck. Swan can actually put it in the farm animals collection, to be honest. The tabby cat. Lorikeet, I think. Let's have a look. Yep, that's right. Red cardinal. A rabbit. Blue macaw. Rhinoceros. This one is huge. It's a very huge one. White rhinoceros from Collected. Gorgeous figure. This one from Peppo. Rhinoceros. A manatee from Safari Ltd. Pot-bellied pig. Dachshund. We have a Shiba Inu. Persian cat. Collie pup. A hen and some chicks. Golden retriever. A toucan. Hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. A polar bear. A manta ray. A mini manatee. Cow-nose ray. There should be an emperor penguin. Rockhopper penguin. A hare. A rooster. A Jack Russell Terrier puppy. A British bulldog, I suppose, a bulldog. Hippo calf. Hippopotamus, mouth wide open from Peppo. Cockatoo. A chimpanzee. This one seems Diana's monkey. This seems to be a barn owl. Yeah, that's right, barn owl. Barn owl can be placed in the farm animals as well. Pelican. Spotted seal. Manta ray. Sea lion. A ray. South African penguin. A couple of polar bear cubs. Super adorable. A penguin. African penguin. Sea lion. Mandrill. Chimpanzee. This is a shoebill. This is a beautiful one. black-faced spoonbill, mandrill, and a baby, long-eared owl, mini manta ray, eagle ray, a Jack Russell Terrier. Alright, this is a Persian cat. Seems to be a hare, another hare, brown hair, nice. And this is Americana chicken. I think it's well known for laying blue eggs or something like that. Another chicken. Another one. Chin-strap penguin. A couple of sea lions right here. This should be a billy goat. African penguin. It's a puffin. Penguin cheek. Harp seal. Rockhopper penguin. Another penguin chick. Most likely an emperor penguin chick. Two dugongs. Some chicks right here. Another Siamese cat. This is a really beautiful one. I have no idea what this is known as. A duck. White duck. A small little hippopotamus figure. Polar bear. A ray. Manta ray, I think. Another spotted ray. Couple of farm animals, safari, good luck minis. Should be a Shiba Inu pup, very cute. And this is a Boston Terrier. This seems to be a peregrine falcon. Yeah, that's right. A small little orangutan. A penguin. Small little owl. And our last figure of the day, it's a rhinoceros calf. Okay, so these are the 4 boxes. I think there's a total of 500 animals. I think so. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video.